Hi, I'm Mike from Detroit Sponge. I've been around this business for over 30 years, and over the years it's been a lot of fun assembling a team of employees and team members around here that offer a lot of expertise and can really help to support you guys with the tools that you enjoy using for your professional window cleaning careers. About 6 months ago, Patrick joined our team. Patrick, why don't you introduce yourself?
My name is Patrick. I'm a professional window cleaner formerly. I was in the window cleaning business for 22 years. I started off with a company that trained me that was been around since 1968. And then in 2000, me and a business partner started our own company. And then physically I kind of broke down over the years. Being tall didn't help. I'm 6'5", 205 pounds, and my shoulders started breaking down. So hence I wanted to stay in the business. I love the business. I feel like I have a great knowledge of it. And I was fortunate enough to where you were able to take me on staff, and now I'm here to pass on the knowledge.
That's great. Well, it fits with what we do. We're glad that you're here, and our effort really is to support you guys with the best expertise and knowledge and tools that we can to help you out there when you're washing your windows professionally. So Patrick, welcome aboard. It's great to have you.
Yeah, it's good to be here. Absolutely.